Do you think there's a potential for, in the future, potential debasement of fiat currency based on all that's occurring and may continue? And could this be building a case for Bitcoin?
It's a good point. We are living the debasement of fiat currency, no? Although the dollar is strong relative to the rest of fiat currencies, or most of the rest of fiat currencies, the dollar is losing purchasing power for all citizens of America by inflation, no? And inflation is the destruction of the purchasing power of a currency. So the dollar is weakening. The dollar it has a lower purchasing power for all Americans, but also the rest of currencies are also losing purchasing power. So basically, the disposable income and the wealth of salaries, the purchasing power of salaries and savings in deposits is being eroded clearly. Mm-hmm. Does it create a platform for Bitcoin? I think that Bitcoin is proving to be some possible alternative, and it's doing two things. It's starting to show that it can be a reserve of value, a unit of measure, and a mean of payment of generalized use, which is what creates money, which is what it would be called money. But what's more interesting is that Bitcoin is separating itself from all other cryptocurrencies. I think that is the most important part. However, it is still not an alternative to fiat currencies, not at all. Not at all. But it may, my opinion is that it may be the case that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, if they evolve and grow to be viewed as proper money, will coexist with fiat currencies in a different universe, in the technology, metaverse, etc. universe. So probably it's not going to be about Bitcoin making the dollar disappear or the euro disappear. I don't see that anytime soon, certainly. But Bitcoin being an option in the decentralization of money. Why do we have to have only one currency? You could have multiple different currencies that allow you to purchase goods and services in different spaces, and that's maybe the option that is available in a more near future than a dystopian no fiat currency future, which certainly is not something that I envision anytime soon.
Great points. I like that, coexisting of currencies. We don't have to be so extreme with our view that it's one or the other, but they can all coexist.